Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for beginners at home. First, you'll want to install Python and a good code editor like VS Code on your computer. This initial setup is crucial for writing and running your first programs. Then, dive into understanding basic concepts such as variables, different data types like strings and integers, and simple operations. Practice by writing very small scripts to see how everything works together. This hands-on approach will build a strong foundation. Once you have the basics down, move on to control flow. This includes understanding how to use if-else statements to make decisions in your code and loops to repeat actions efficiently. Next, learn about functions, which help you organize your code into reusable blocks, making it cleaner and easier to manage. The best way to solidify these skills is to work on small, focused projects that allow you to apply each new concept practically. As you progress, explore more advanced topics like object-oriented programming, which is a powerful way to structure larger applications. Remember to utilize the vast array of online tutorials, courses, and official Python documentation available to deepen your understanding. Don't hesitate to join online coding communities or forums. They offer invaluable support, opportunities for collaboration, and a chance to learn from experienced developers. Continuous learning is key. Finally, challenge yourself by building a personal project from start to finish. This could be anything from a simple game to a web scraper, allowing you to apply all your learned skills in a real-world context. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain practical experience and collaborate with others. This is an excellent way to enhance your portfolio and learn best practices. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.